Here's a quick tour of the safety equipment in our classroom for when we are doing science labs. In the back of the classroom, this cabinet will hold our goggles. This container down here is where you put any broken glass. You do not just clean up broken glass with your hands. You need to ask a teacher for a dustpan. Actually, there's a dustpan back there. Ask a teacher for a dustpan. Make sure I know about it so I check that it's been cleaned up, and broken glass goes in this container. You never put your hand in that container. Also, generally, cleanup procedures will be different from lab to lab, but this is a great sink to use for cleanup. I usually have dish soap back here and hand soap. Our towels, this is not a safety concern, but just cleanliness, our towels are usually down here below the sink to wipe up any spills. They work way better than the paper towels. There are 2 fire extinguishers in our classroom. One of them is in the back behind my desk near Mr. Werner's room. One is in the front of the room near the door. There's signs marking where they are. If you ever need to use a fire extinguisher, there's a pin that you need to pull out. And then you pull these handles together to spray it at a fire. Typically a teacher would probably be doing this if it was a real emergency, but just in case you ever need to use it, that's how they work. Do not pour water on a fire in a science environment. Right here is our fire blanket. So if a student was ever on fire, their hair or their clothing, you would run over here. You would grab the blanket and throw it over them to put out the fire. The blanket is made of wool, which will smother a fire that's going on. So this is where the fire blanket is. And this is our emergency wash station. Typically, things that get on your skin, you can use a regular sink to wash it off. But if there's something in your eyes, you would run up to this station, put your eyes so that they are lined up with these 2 nozzles, and push this lever back. I'll show you how it works in class, but that's where you would rinse out a chemical from your eye if it was very, very painful and burning. And this is the shower. We've never had to use the shower. It is not for a fire. If you're on fire, you do not run to the shower and pull it. It is for chemical spills on a person. So if you need to get rinsed off really quickly, you have chemicals on you, you would run over here and pull this handle. This typically does not get used, but it's here just in case. Okay, so make sure you go back through this presentation. If you need to finish labeling the map of the classroom with the things that I have asked for on the back. All right, I'll see you soon. Bye.